Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 3 or 4 series BMW guys and you're trying to find where your intake temperature sensor is located, stay with us and we're going to cover that today guys. Quick introduction, every single car we get at the shop, including this BMW here, we make at least 200 videos guys. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything on these cars guys. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful guys, and that way we can keep providing these free videos. Specifically on BMW 3 and 4 series, probably we'll even have close to 400 videos guys. If you need to buy new intake temperature sensor replacement parts or tools, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all that from, and we share it guys for your convenience. So this is guys the 328 2013 BMW that we'll explain on, but it actually will work on multiple models 3 and 4 series guys, because most of them that intake temperature sensor will be located there. Now we'll explain where it's located and what needs to be done to replace it. If you want to see the replacement video guys, it will be on our main channel, How to Repair guys, where we do most of the mechanical things. And we just finished putting a timing chain that failed. Actually, check it out, that's the old chain that failed at 87,000 miles. And if you want to see how to test intake temperature sensor and other electrical components on this BMW, we will guys post our electrical videos on this third channel that we're running. So check it out guys, subscribe as well. When you open the hood guys, this is your air filter box, right? This is your air filter box, and past the air filter box you have a hose. Okay, that hose, this is a turbo engine, so it goes actually it goes to the turbo, but the first sensor on the intake on the air filter box guys, this is the first sensor here, is known as mass airflow sensor. This sensor detects how much air the car is getting, okay, the volume of the air. Now another thing guys, actually your intake temperature sensor is integrated in the mass airflow sensor. Okay, it's two sensors in one. So that's where it is guys. This is the intake temperature sensor. It will be located here. If you need to remove and replace it guys, okay, you have to remove two screws. Okay, one here, one over there. You remove them and you pull it up. Pretty simple, and you can get it out and replace it guys. Now if you will need some special tools, it's called Torx bit. We have the link in the description of the video below. Check it out guys. Also, if you need to purchase a new one, we'll share the link to see where we get our parts and tools from guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. If you have any questions about BMW 3 series guys, 4 series, or that 2.0 4-cylinder gasoline engine that has been used in 320, 328, 420, 428, let us know guys, leave a comment below. Hopefully guys, you will find the information helpful. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel guys, and see you next time.